All right, fourth graders, this is skills practice for Friday. First thing you're going to do is you're going to click on your reading review or reading comprehension link. Going to go ahead and open this up. You're going to write your first and last name. Then you're going to reread Trying Something New. It's the passage that you've been working on the entire week. And then you're going to answer these 4 questions. Number 1, what is the main idea or the central idea of this story? So this is, what is the whole thing about? For example, A says tamales are delicious. So my question for you would be, is the entire passage about tamales being delicious? If it is, click it. If it's not, move to the next one. 2, Maria's grandmother says it takes a lot of hands to make good tamales. What can you infer Maria's grandmother means by this statement? Remember that the word infer means when you take the knowledge that you have and the information that's put in front of you, so the passage, and you combine those and you come up with something that was implied. Okay, so what does it mean? It takes a lot of hands to make good tamales. What can you infer that she's trying to say? Number 3, how does the author support the idea that helping with something makes you appreciate the outcome more? So which one of these quotes from the story supports the idea that helping with something makes you appreciate the outcome? And 4, based on details from the story, what can you infer masa is? Again, that word infer. Take what you know, take what's put in front of you. And then we have a constructive response, which means you're going to type some sentences out. It says, read the story, trying something new. What do you think Jackie will tell Brittany about her experience at Maria's house? Based on the text, write what you think Jackie will say. Use at least 2 examples from the text to support your answer. So what would Jackie say and why would she say those things? So use examples from the text to support why you think that. Once you've done that, you'll submit it and you'll go back to your slides. You're going to go reread Grand Canyon, A Trail Through Time on HMH and Module 6. You'll click Module 6. You'll click the hamburger, the 3 lines at the top. You'll go find Grand Canyon. You'll reread it. Once you've done that, then you're going to go to this Flipgrid and answer a few questions. So maybe if my computer loads the Flipgrid. All right, so this is the Flipgrid. Miss Snow did this one, so you can watch the video of it. And then you're going to identify a simile on page 61. What is compared with this figurative language? So remember, a simile compares 2 things using like or as. So what is it comparing? That's what you're going to present on your Flipgrid. Now, this is a bonus. You're going to create your own simile to put in Grand Canyon. The simile has to fit into the story, and it must compare one thing to another using like or as. So remember, simile uses like or as, and these bonus points will get you more points for your incentives, which we will talk about later. All right, guys. So once you have done that, you're going to go into your brain break.